Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Had not been made publicly in that particular manner, it might have been better if the governments had discussed it among themselves, but whatever that we, the States Reorganization Commission, took into consideration all the recommendations, all the demands, all the claims and counterclaims of the different states, and they made certain recommendations with regard to the transfer of certain territories from Bihar to Bengal in the northern region and certain territories from West Bengal to Bihar. So far as the territories in the north are concerned, unfortunately, as the Honorable Home Minister stated today, also there was a defect in the proposal of the States Reorganization Commission. But my honorable friend Pandit Kunjuru, who is absent today, made it very clear in his speech before the House that that mistake had arisen because the Commission had been given certain defective maps. The idea of the Commission throughout was to suggest the redistribution of the territories in the northern region in such a way that West Bengal may become one compact state. They had made the particular recommendation which they made partly because one of the rivers in that region is continually shifting its channel, and partly because defective maps had been used, and Pandit Kunjuru, in his speech before this House, left no doubt in the matter that if the correct maps had been before them, they would have framed their recommendations in a manner which would have ensured that West Bengal was one compact state. As regards the needs of the compact state, I do not have to add anything after what was said by the Honorable Home Minister to today. For administrative purposes, it is essential that a state must be a compact unit because otherwise, with regard to the problem of law and order, with regard to the problem of movement of goods, particularly with regard to the smuggling of materials and goods from India into Pakistan, in this border region, a state divided into two different units with another state intervening in between would face all kinds of difficulties. Now, sir, my honorable friend who spoke last also agreed that there should be a compact state of West Bengal, but he asked why should the boundary of this compact state be 200 yards to the west of the national highway. Now, Sir, it is obvious that if you are going to make it a compact state, that area which connects the two disjointed parts must be of such a size that it is a practicable proportion. You are theoretically give only 100 yards all along the Pakistan frontier, but obviously such a transfer of territory would not serve any purpose whatever. Now, a suggestion has been made that the national highway, with an area of about 200 yards to the west of it, would be the boundary line in order to ensure proper arrangements for the maintenance of the road and also for the proper vigilance. Fully stop.